We're just walking through Kensington to get to the Design Museum. So it's slightly set back off the road and it's right next to Holland Park. And you just go off the street and you find the building at the back. Down at the Design Museum and seeing this exhibition, this splash all about water, but it's good to see the Design Museum as well in London. Make sure you see this Eduardo Pelosi statue outside as well. And please like or subscribe as it all helps. So let's go inside. So the great thing about it is it's not just about swimming, it's about the swimming pool design, swimming costume designs over the years, how it's changed, the materials that are used, things like popularity with package holidays that helped swimming become more popular, and swimming costumes like butlins and lidos. But what's special about it is it's not just about the costumes and the design. It also weaves in about the political sort of associations with swimming and about segregation in America, and also about how the actual design of swimming costumes became political, and the bikini and the beginnings of it, and controversy over the burkini. So the first section is about the Olympics, and there's the swimming costumes for Team GB, designed by Stella McCartney. There's Tom Daley's jumper that he knitted while he was by the pool side, and his swimming trunks as well. There's medals from the Olympics and quite a few artefacts to see there. The celebrity costumes too include Pamela Anderson's original swimsuit when she was in Baywatch. This was the outfit worn by James Bond in Goldfinger. And Kate Hudson wore this in The Glass Onion. So just want to highlight a couple of things in the exhibition. The bikinis association with the atomic bomb and the naming of it. This amazing photo is from Las Vegas at the Last Frontier pool, and with the mushroom cloud from the testing in the background. This is the original costume that was made from wool that people used to swim in. But one of the most fascinating exhibits is around how men's trunks developed, and how originally when homosexuality was banned, there were catalogues that were developed with men's swimming trunks that gay men would buy in order to be almost like a magazine for them. And that then went on into popular culture and fashion, and this was one of the original Vince magazines. It's really interesting on many levels. Not just if you like swimming, but if you do, then you particularly love it.